Genera, presenting the science behind life.
In this beautiful world, there are some creatures which always amaze and attract us with their attractive colors. So in this video, we are presenting some amazing colorful organism which can blow your mind. So stay tuned with us.
The countdown starts with number 10, the Mandarin duck. Mandarin duck. The adult male has a red bill, large white crescent above the eye, and a reddish face and whiskers. The male's breast is purple with two vertical white bars and the flanks ruddy. And he has two orange sails at the back, large feathers that stick up like boat sails, with a white eye ring and stripe running back from the eye, but is paler below, has a small white flank stripe and a pale tip to its bill.
In number 9, we have Kingfisher. The brightness of the colors is neither the product of pigments, but is instead caused by the structure of the feathers, which causes scattering of the blue light. Here, generally dark green in color with a white stomach and a yellow strip which runs along the pectoral line to their caudal fin. In number 8, we have Flamingo. Young flamingos hatch with grayish red plumage, but adults range from light pink to bright red due to the aqueous bacteria and beta-carotene obtained from their food supply. A well-fed, healthy flamingo is more vibrantly colored, thus a more desirable mate.
In number 7, none other than India's national bird, peacock. Peacocks are large, colorful peasants, typically blue and green, known for their iridescent tails and tail feathers or coverts, sprayed out in distinctive train that is more than 60% of the bird's total body length and boast colorful eye markings of blue, gold, red and other hues.
In number 6, we have Chromodoris. Chromodoris elizabethana is one of the group of chromodised with a blue or bluish white background color and black or dark blue longitudinal lines. Often they have orange or yellow gills and rhinophores and a similarly colored mantle border.
In number 5, we have blue glaucus. The namesake coloration is for more than just show. The sea slug uses its coloration to its advantage as it floats on the ocean surface. The blue side of their body faces upward to camouflage it against the blue of the sea, while the silver side faces downward to camouflage it against bright surface of the water.
In number 4, we have blue dart frog. The blue poison dart frog is a small frog with bright coloring. Its back and top of the head are a lighter colored sky blue, while its belly and legs are darker blue in color. Dark blue and black spots cover the frog's body, primarily its back and head.
In number 3, we have peacock mantis shrimp. Peacock mantis. The peacock mantis shrimp is a brightly colored crustacean that lives on Indo-Pacific coral reefs and associated sand flats. Its common name reflects the brilliant greens and blues that adorn the male's exoskeleton. Females are also brightly colored but are mostly red. Peacock mantis shrimp are powerful hunters, feeding on hard-shelled invertebrates of all kinds and even some fishes. In our countdown, position 2 is for flower hat jellyfish. Flower hat jellyfish. Flower hat jellies have a translucent bill with dark opaque pinstripes radiating from the top center to the edge, lustrous multicolored fluorescent tipped tentacles, tail from the bill, and others coiled up close to their bodies, making them appear short.
In number 1, we have the mandarin fish. The mandarin fish is a small, brightly colored member of the dragonet family, which is popular in saltwater aquarium trade. The spotted mandarin is light grey-green with black, pink and blue spots. Mandarin fish are reef dwellers, preferring sheltered lagoons and inshore reefs.